Hey guys, the Infrapink Panther here. How's those windshield wipers coming? That's okay, that happens. But cheer up. I've created another little routine that doesn't use them at all. In fact, it only uses pancake flips. Remember these? So even beginners at contact juggling can do this. It's called Serpiente, and it goes like this. Alright, start here with the ball in one palm and the other hand on top of it. You can do some hamburger isolations here to warm up and get ready to go into this move. Swing your arm out to the side and do a pancake flip into the cradle. Both arms go like this. Snaky! Okay, go down, up, down, flip, bring it to the middle. Here, we're going to do a crystal ball pass. It looks like a gypsy fortune teller making mystic motions over the crystal ball. As the ball moves through the center, switch to your other hand. If this looks complicated, it's not. All you're doing is dropping the ball from one palm to the other. So it's basically a hamburger isolation with a fancy hand wave. Now on this side, flip, snaky. Flip, mysterious crystal ball, flip, snaky, and so on. Have fun with that. Amaze people, and most importantly, feel great about yourself when you master a new technique. And always look for new techniques and moves you can invent. You don't have to wait to learn from other people. Explore, experiment, and always have fun. Both arms go like this. Snaky. As I turn the page. Okay, go down, up, down. Okay. I should do this so I get the timing right.